yung recently conducted activity natin earlier this morning, masasabi naman natin na successful in coordination with different agencies like COMELEC and DPWH. Bali, nakonduct naman natin ng maayos yung Oakland Backlash, then alongside ng mga kalsada na nadaanan natin, na-make sure natin na lahat ng mga campaign paraphernalias is sumusunod sa guidelines na ibinigay sa atin ng COMELEC. Challenging siguro in a way na siyempre kailangan natin baybayin each street, each way, each na kalsada na madadaanan to check personally so kung bawat campaign paraphernalias is strictly adhering to the guidelines, no? So may mga along the way may mga nakita tayo like kunwari sa puno nakakabit in which invalid siya, so we need to remove that campaign material since hindi siya sumusunod sa guidelines natin. So first for the voters, no, sana let us vote wisely this coming election, and let us avoid from being involved in a vote buying. So tayo dyan, it's a no for us, no? So let's maintain integrity with our vote, and to the candidates, we hope that you strictly follow during this campaign period. Sana we should follow the guidelines that are given to us to avoid unnecessary activities and to always be safe. Always naman tayo dito in behalf of Katarman MPS, always welcome to address their concerns and queries. Yung ating duty desk is 24/7 open for the citizens of Northern Samar, particularly here in Katarman.
Ako si Eugene Montaño Inano para sa Serbisyo Publiko.